Next up, eye in the sky for Black Mous. In this we need to open 5 airplane supply drops. This is relatively simple. All you really need to do is capture a bunch of SAM sites and just play the game as usual. Right, so I see 1, 2, 3 airdrops. We need to open 5. Obviously, you can get these all done in one go if you're lucky, but so far there hasn't been much this game. Well, we may as well go ahead and grab them. So unfortunately, I do think that these need to be fresh airdrops. They can't be airdrops that have already been looted. You need to reach them first, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so there we go. We've now looted this airdrop. Now we can go ahead and continue elsewhere. So we'll get the second one, as we've already done one, and hey, there's another drop over there. This one, the Commander helicopter drop, I'm pretty sure counts as a supply drop, but we'll have to see. It's got the same icon. This one, of course, has already been looted, and yeah. Oh, that did count. Cool. Now we'll go to number 3. Let's quickly loot this airdrop up here, and then finally we'll loot this airdrop here. And there we go, marking the extraction. We'll get out of here. And there we have it, Eye in the Sky is now complete. A super quick mission. Anyways, thank you all for watching. My name has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.